Hello friends! Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set a bug report on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings application to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Next, scroll down and locate the System option. It's typically located towards the bottom of the list. Tap on System to open the next set of options. This section controls a variety of settings on your device, including language preferences, developer settings, and more. Step 3. Scroll down to locate the developer options. Tap on it. Step 4. Next, locate the bug report option. Tap on it to locate either the interactive report or the full report. Step 5. For the last and most important step, select the option that works best for you. Then tap Report and set the bug report instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.